Hey everyone, it's Ian McCarthy from Blue Claw Associates here on beautiful Cape Cod. We got a new project to show you that we were working on the past year and a half. This is in Great Island in West Yarmouth, and it consisted of thousands of square feet of fieldstone, bluestone terraces, cobblestone, a beautiful shell driveway, and obviously a lot of landscaping. So let me show you the rest of the project. Definitely the centerpiece of this project, the crown jewel, is the backyard terrace. This outdoor living center is the hub of entertainment for the summer season, situated right here on the ocean, surrounded by fieldstone walls, seat walls, and of course this beautiful terrace. Some of the other cool features of this outdoor terrace living space is the beautiful pillars that adorn each of the stairways. We've got a custom fire pit that was originally going to be round, but the design was modified so that the back of the fire pit is curved and it follows the curve of the seat wall, so that it can accommodate more people sitting at the fire pit. And this is a gas fire pit, blue glass on top for the design, and just absolutely stunning with the water in the back. Can I offer you guys a cocktail? We've got a beautiful tiki bar behind us with black leather stone countertops, fieldstone walls, and all the appliances you would need to serve all your guests on a beautiful night. Another cool feature is some bluestone countertops that we actually installed on the upper level of the house. On the back decks, as you can see, there's verandas up top to enjoy the ocean view. And one of the great things about working with us in the construction phase is that when the project is complete, we're able to provide full landscape maintenance services. Things like lawn mowing, spring cleanup, mulching, edging, horticultural care, and all of these services are provided with 100% eco-friendly and quiet landscape equipment.